The Galician Enterprise University Foundation, FEUGA, is a private non-profit foundation situated in Galicia, Spain. We count with over 30 years' experience in fostering technology transfer among the university, industry and society. FEUGA also acts as the knowledge transfer office of the 3 Galician public universities.
Our team is comprised of more than 20 professionals, including engineers, journalists, political scientists, and agronomists, a multidisciplinary staff qualified to support communication of technical and economic information in the agri-food and wine sector.
FEUGA has access to more than 600 research groups from the 3 Galician universities, Santiago de Compostela, Vigo, and A Coruña, and more than 200 companies in the region.
The Foundation has a wide background in the application and execution of research and innovation projects in regional, national and international funding codes.
We offer solutions in intellectual property rights and exploitation management to develop the best strategy for the exploitation of results.
We also design and implement communication and dissemination strategies suited to several audiences.
We are experts in developing multi-actor methodologies and implementing innovation models to foster the information exchange among different stakeholders.
We have many years' experience in training programs for companies and researchers, as well as in developing tailor-made training methodologies.
In 2006, FEUGA promoted a wine innovation area. It consisted of a public-private partnership aimed at fostering collaborative innovation in the wine agro sector.
From 2009 and 2014, FEUGA transferred this methodology to 9 additional European regions under the Interreg funding program WineTech and WineTech Plus. Under this collaborative network, FEUGA developed tools and activities to foster and support the knowledge transfer towards the end users. This bottom-up approach resulted in a catalogue of demands of the wine sector, which allowed the identification of common research priorities.
The Horizon 2020 funded project Wine Network consolidated a European network of innovation. It is aimed to develop an ecosystem for the co-creation of knowledge on the management of grape wine diseases.
Pathogen is an ongoing Erasmus Plus project. It proposes an innovative training methodology in teaching and management of viral diseases in grapevines.
Wet Wine, funded by the Interreg program, addresses wastewater management in wineries and their use as fertilizers.
Alongside these projects aimed directly at the wine sector, FEUGA also participates in other related initiatives. Tropic Safe is studying grapevine yellows, among other bacterial diseases, in tropical and subtropical regions.
And Biomasa P seeks to optimize biomass waste from pruning, shrubs, kiwis and vines.
FEUGA also has a long collaborative experience with the Agricultural European Innovation Partnership. Our team participates in workshops and events where our experience in multi-actor approach and thematic networks is presented.
We also participate in the focus group on diseases and pests in viticulture, where experts share knowledge and experience.
Beyond international projects, FEUGA also has a background in regional and national operational groups.
Viticast combines climatic parameters with growth stages, the presence of inoculums and the disease cycles to establish a solution to predict fungal diseases in grapevine.
EVIP goes deeper into one of the practices identified in the Wine Network project, trying to prove its effectiveness.
In conclusion, we can provide access to all the Galician research groups working in the wine sector and select the most suitable for your actions.
Our team can also support OENOVITI with the proposals for international funding programs.
And we are a key partner to maximize the impact of your innovation projects.